Are you a beginner sewist who likes Japanese doll sewing books, but don't know which book to start with? If so, I would like to share 3 of our favorite beginner-friendly books. They are Doll's Closet Romantic, Treasured Doll Coordinate Recipe, and Doll Sewing Book HANON. Doll's Closet Romantic comes with photo step-by-step instructions, which is great, especially when Google Translate gives strange translations. And plus, there are a variety of doll designers to choose from. Treasured Doll Coordinate Recipe by Sekiguchi Taeko is beginner-friendly and easy to follow. And it too comes with photo step-by-step instructions. Doll Sewing Book HANON by Satomi Fuji is a classic. It comes in English and Japanese texts. It has clear photo instructions and is a book enjoyed by many doll sewists. There you have it, 3 of our favorite beginner-friendly books. If you do any projects from them, let us know. Leave a comment below or tag us. And before we go, here are some of our makes from each book. Happy sewing!